The Yushinv cherry blossom tree set arrives in an impressively large, well-designed gift box that feels special enough to give on its own. Once built, the floating sakura treehouse balanced over a cascading waterfall becomes a striking display piece that stands out in a living room, bedroom, or office. With well over 3,000 precision-molded pieces, this set offers a demanding and satisfying building challenge for patient teens and adults who enjoy complex models. The bricks connect cleanly, the colors are vivid, and the finished tree and house have a layered, detailed look that rewards close inspection from every angle. A thoughtful touch is the companion scene music, which you can access digitally and play in the background to enhance the calm, meditative feel while you build or display it. Because of its presentation, difficulty level, and relaxing atmosphere, this cherry blossom treehouse makes a memorable gift and a rewarding joint project for families or friends.